We're at hive 8, making sure everything's good. And that's enough talking for me. Oh, we're doing a mite check, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll also do a mite check on this one. We've been randomly checking for doing mite checks on the hives today. And
Not looking good.
yeah, not what we was hoping for when we just treat them with Apigard, and there's less, but we still got way more than we would like to see. We've seen between 10 and 16.
I don't even know why I bothered.
See if they had any stores up there.
That's a big old no.
We was hoping with the fall flow to get some nectar into these supers, but they're not doing much. A couple of the hives have a little bit.
I don't like this hive tool.
That didn't sound good.
No.
Would you like me to help?
They do have honey in this one.
This was the original hive that we caught. You just ripped open they had cross comb that got ripped open.
You want me to close it back up?
No.
Work faster?
Yeah, we just won't stay in them long. You might smoke them though. After doing that, we may skip to the next hive to do the mite check.
Yeah. This is just honey.
Or we can set that to the side and do the mite check out of the bottom box.
Yep.
I think the last time we looked at this hive,
They weren't.
the second box was all honey, and the bottom box is where they have their brood. That's gonna be a heavy box. Do you want me to get it? You got it, or you want me to?
I'll tell you in a second. I got it. Yeah. Stay.
If you don't mind, would you smoke around my head? Actually, I'm gonna move this way a little. I think I was just too close to their entrance.
Oh, and I got him quite perturbed. Honey. Oh, that looks cool.
They're working, kind of look like they're capping it, but it don't look like there's enough in there.
There's nothing in there, but it's cool looking.
It must, yeah, I don't know.
Must be getting ready.
Yeah.
That's pretty brood and pollen.
I see why you get stung more often than I do.
Yeah.
They go after the cameraman
Mm-hmm.
or camera person.
Well, it's cameraman at the moment. Well, you do all the bumping and making them mad, and I get stung.
Yeah, they're flying all around me. They like attacking my head right now, apparently.
More brood and pollen. Capped brood, I should say.
Sorry for the quick movement.
Nectar. And pollen. And capped brood. I don't know if I said that or not. More capped brood and larvae. You know, I never did take my glasses off to be able to see. And I hate to say it, now you know what I feel.
It's a nice looking frame.
It is too, and some of that bright orange pollen. Some more capped brood and pollen.
I'm not sure how well this is showing up on the camera. Well, I move to this angle, the sun gets the screen.
Ooh, and some, the pearl.
Some white larvae.
Yeah. I haven't seen anything. Here we go. Even my phone should pick that up.
I can't tell what it is picking up or not.
Yeah.
And right there's the queen. Right there in the corner.
Oh.
I'm putting the scene on the camera.
Alright, well. I'm going to...
See if there's young stuff towards me, and we'll use that for the mic check.
I'm trying. There's some uncapped, but I'm not seeing any eggs.
We'll go with uncapped if...
Not a lot of uncapped though. But there is on that side.
Alright.
Yep.
I'm gonna go get the...
Pause it and go, or go take it with you.
Oh, just, cause it's just right up here on the truck. Sorry if I make you all sick walking with the camera. You want me to open it or?
I want you to hold the body of it. Hold where I'm holding.
Once you figure out the trick to do it that way, it actually works pretty good. But if you're not doing it,
I'm not doing it correctly.
that gets them flying. And I had a bee that just volunteered to do the mic treatment. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but we've got a couple bees airborne.
Wonderful.
That's probably enough.
I know.
I would help, but it's kind of hard to hold this thing and the camera, and
I know.
you want me to start shaking it while you put it together?
Yes, but shake away from it.
Yeah. Sorry if the camera's shaking while I'm doing this. Kind of hard to shake in one hand and hold the other hand still. It ain't been very long I shook it so far, but I'm seeing a lot better results. But we have to do it for longer. Before we treat it this last go around, it was hive 2, 4, and 6 that was high. They're still high. 1 we didn't check at all because there's low population. 3, 5, and 7 was actually good.
God.
But we treated everybody the same. And so far, we only checked the ones that originally was high. This is the first one that wasn't high that we checked after the treatment. So it may just be a couple of our hives that was high. So far, when I just looked at it, I seen 2 pieces of debris, but no mites. That makes me feel so much better. So I'm going to try to find an angle that I can hopefully show you all. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's actually several pieces of debris, but no mites that I see. I think there's like 3 or 4 pieces of debris, 1 big chunk, and 3 or 4 small chunks of debris, but no mites.
Awesome.
That's an awesome sign. So,
Till next time, God bless.